Jab Tak Hai Jaan, son of Sardar, suffered ₹6 crore loss each last weekend. The two warring films, Jab Tak Hai Jaan and Son of Sardar, aimed to bring in the maximum profits at the ticket counters on Saturday and Sunday, but failed because of Bal Thackeray's death. The impact of Balasaheb Thackeray's demise has been felt in Bollywood big time. Both Jab Tak Hai Jaan and Son of Sardar, which released last week on Diwali Day, felt the aftershock at the box office all over Maharashtra, as news of the Shiv Sena Supremo's death spread like wildfire across the nation. The city of Mumbai came to a standstill, with the theatres pulling down shutters as mark of respect to the late political giant. Reportedly, theatres in Maharashtra and all other metropolitan cities cancelled movie shows, adding up to major weekend losses for the two films. According to leading exhibitor distributor Akshay Rathi, cinema hall owners cancelled the shows on Saturday evening and all through Sunday as a mark of respect to Balasaheb Thackeray. Both Jab Tak Hai Jaan and Son of Sardar could have earned a combined total of ₹6 crore from Maharashtra over the weekend. But the spillover of the audience that would have thronged the theatres over the weekend to the weekdays and the next weekend will make up for it. Manoj Desai, owner of Gaiety Galaxy, explained that they closed the theatres on Saturday and Sunday as a mark of respect to Balasaheb. Nobody expected the unfortunate incident. They expect a certain amount of growth in the next 2 to 3 days. Girish Vankade of Cinemax India told us that they were expecting a minimum of 60% occupancy over the weekend. But because of Bal Thackeray's demise, 500 shows got cancelled out of the 66 Cinemax screens in Maharashtra. They lost out on nearly ₹2 crore. Big business can mean big profits, but big losses as well. This past weekend certainly has proved that.